All right, today we're going to tour a brand new listing I have that just came out here in Gulf Breeze. This is actually in the Water subdivision. This is off of Highway 98, off of Soundside Drive, which is east of the Walmart Supercenter where Lowe's and all that area is. So it's just a couple miles actually from there, so it's really close and convenient. But this is an executive home. It's gorgeous. It's in mint condition, as you're going to see. But it's on the market right now for $599,900. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This house was built in 2018, and one of the nice bonuses that the seller did was he put these lights and outlets here in the soffits for, you know, holiday lights, Christmas lights and stuff. So it's actually a really cool bonus. The house does have gas to it. It's got a 2-car side entry garage. The home was built in 2018, so it's really new, as you're gonna see from walking inside. I think one of the best features, and which is something that everybody's wanting more and more nowadays, is this house has no carpet. So you have the ceramic tile, wood look. Here's your kitchen. Like I said, it's extremely nice. All upper end stainless appliances. Got an open living room area. Here's your dining area right off the kitchen, so that's really nice. It does have a gas fireplace. Another cool feature is a split floor plan, and you've got a Jack and Jill bathroom in here. So here's just say bedroom number 1, or one of the guest or kid bedrooms. You've got your Jack and Jill style bathroom. Just a gorgeous home. Lots of little built-ins and bonuses. Another nice size closet. Okay, so here's the second bedroom, kid bedroom, guest bedroom. Now none of this furniture is staying. The owners are getting all the furniture out. The washer and dryer isn't staying, but the TV on the back patio is staying with the property. So that's one nice little bonus. Let me go ahead and show you the backyard before we go to the other part of the house. So if you have dogs or animals, you do have a nice little backyard fence in the yard with not a lot of upkeep. Just grass. So this home does not have a pool, but you are on the easement area for the retention pond. So I think that's kind of nice bonus, because you're not have anybody that's going to build right next to you, and the house next to you right here is, you know, a good bit of feet away. So I think that's a cool bonus. Not to mention, like, the fact nobody's going to build behind you, and kind of cool. So like I said, that TV does stay. Everything else will be going with the sellers. Okay, so dining room area. Let me show you. So your master bedroom is to the right there, but you've got a nice walk-in size pantry right here. Then you have your 4th bedroom / office over here. So it's got a really cool split floor plan. I like that. Another thing you're going to notice is all these windows have molding around them. So something else bonus the sellers, you know, added onto it. They wanted them all encased in molding. You've got another bathroom right here. in your inside laundry room, which is nice about this, it actually is a pass-through also to the master bathroom, closet, which you see here is pretty big. There it is again, so your laundry area is right here off your master closet. It's really nice. A nice little sitting area here, which goes out to your garage. The garage is finished off nice. You got flat ceilings, no popcorn, no stains, nothing. Garage door opener. Painted floors. An oversized 2-car garage, so a lot of good space. This is a cool sitting area too. All right, so that's that part of the house. And here up to the left off the kitchen, you have your master suite. Like I said, these floors are throughout the entire house, which is really nice. So you have no carpeting anywhere in this house whatsoever. It's all ceramic tile. Designer stand-up shower. Like that built-in shelves. And like I said, you've got your long master closet. You've got your sit-in tub. It is not a jacuzzi tub, but it's huge and deep. So your restrooms in there. Double vanity. Really nice. I love these cabinets and hardware. All right, that's it. So master closet in your laundry. Back out. 4th bedroom, office on your right, kitchen, all designer stainless appliances, gas fireplace. Great spot for the big screen, as you'll see they had up there at one time. Nice little backyard. Does have a sprinkler system, so this house is jam up and ready to go. Questions about this house or any other property or anything to do with real estate in general or foreclosures, please drop me a note, send me an email, give me a call. I'll be glad to help. And like I said, this house is on the market right now for $599,900, 2,350 square feet. Now there's a couple other properties for sale in here, but they're over 3,000 square feet and they're higher per square foot than this property. So this is the lowest price per square foot home in the neighborhood right now that's active. So anyway, if you have any questions, please hit me up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. As always, I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.